Early Christian architecture. Architectural reality. House for God's people. Roman Basilica. Art was restricted to hidden place of worship. Catacombs. Titulae. History. 318 to 800 AD. Christianity moved from Judea to Rome, became the official religion of the Roman Empire. Two historic events. The Edict of Milan, a proclamation that permanently establishes religious toleration for Christianity within the Roman Empire. Transfer of power from Rome to Constantinople. Architectural character. Construction was highly influenced by Roman art and architecture. Purpose of the Christian church was to serve the worshippers. Basilican churches, based on ancient Roman basilicas, erected over the burial place of the saint to whom it was dedicated. Parts of the churches. Atrium, open colonnaded court in front and attached to a Christian basilica. Narthex, a porch or vestibule of a church, generally colonnaded or arcaded and preceding the nave. Nave, part of the church between the chief entrance and the choir, demarcated from aisles by piers and columns. Ambulatory, a passageway around the apse of a church or for circumambulating a shrine. Apse, a vaulted semicircular or polygonal termination, usually to a chancel or chapel. Bema, raised stage for the clergy at the east end. Aisle, part of the church parallel to and divided by piers or columns from the nave, choir, or transept. Choir, part of the church where the choir sits, normally to the west part of the chancel. Chancel, that part of the east end of a church in which the main altar is placed, reserved for the clergy and choir. Ambo, where the gospel and epistle was read. Transept, part of a cruciform church whose axis crosses at right angles, the axis running from the chief entrance through the nave to the apse. Church complex. Terms. Belfry or campanile. A bell tower either attached to a church or standing alone. Baptistery. A separate building or part of a church in which the sacrament of baptism is administered during Easter, Pentecost, and Epiphany. With the advent of infant baptism, it was replaced by the font. Tombs. Burial up to the end of the 4th century took place in the catacombs outside Rome. Christians objected to cremation and insisted burial on consecrated grounds. Tomb of Galla Placidia, Ravenna. Earliest tomb in cruciform plan. Sarcophagi still remain in the arms of the cross.